Have you ever wondered why rich people get richer and poor people get poorer? The underlying thing that causes all of this is their emotions. So really, emotion is such a powerful thing that we have as human. It's in a way a godlike ability because we if we use our emotion correctly, we can obtain a lot of great things into our life effortlessly. It's not very difficult. It's as if we're following the flow of the river, not against it, not rowing against, but instead just let go, follow the current, and when you're in the boat, you will feel the rocking a little bit, but you will get to your destination eventually if you are aware what is the emotion that you've been broadcasting into this world. And that feeling is actually having feeling where we feel we have money, we have abundance, when the majority of the time you're thinking of is all of this, the abundance, you will attract more of it. And if you thinking about lack most of the time, you will attract more of it. That's why it is to be careful with what we're thinking, because the universe that governs our mind, it doesn't rationalize. It's so objective. Whatever we say, whatever we're wishing, that is its command. So that's why be careful. So there are a few exercises that I want to share here that I've learned from the book 21 Days Countdown to Riches. Figure I want to share because you must have a feeling where you want to do this, you want to be aware and everything, but you started to think, is there any practical things that I can do that can accelerate this? So when I practicing it, because also this manifestation skills by using feel good emotion, all of this needs to be practiced. We cannot take a violin and for the first time and master it. Cannot do that. It takes time, it takes practice. And if you don't manifest enough, that's usually because you don't believe it enough, or we need more practice. So that's what I'm thinking, because it's so easy to manifest 1 ringgit, for example, because we believe it's small, and everything about size, big or small, we as a collective consciousness decide on this, because we all thinking that 1 million is harder than 1 ringgit. So that's why it is difficult. So to change our thoughts, it's really takes time. It really requires a lot of repetition to get down to your subconscious level. Okay, so there are 3 practical steps that I want to share. The first one is imagine as if your outgoing money is incoming money. Whatever you pay for, if later you pay for the gas or food, you pay for it. Imagine as if that money is deposited into your account. It's not outgoing, it's incoming. And to make it more powerful, we add more zeros to it. You can add 2 more zeros in that, and then feel grateful that you have that money. You It's in going into your account, and at the end of the day, you write down all the monies that you've gotten. This is the outgoing, same to ingoing. It all happens in mind, because we need to use this, this ability that our brain cannot differentiate between what we're imagining and what is actually happened. And I think it's really wasteful if we try to rationalize it, try to not believe in it. Instead, just use the ability that we have, because this is the secret, the way that help a lot of people, thousands of people getting what they want. And simply just use it, experiment it, just experiment for few weeks, few months, and see what you're gonna attract, and you will attract a lot of things. The second exercise is gratitude practices, where you sit down by yourself and be grateful of the thing that you had. in the past that you have accumulated. The moment you're born, in your when you're in high school, you have education, you receive a lot of money. So think of it as that gratitude. Really feel it in, like how you had been in this, you've been in this position. You have received a lot of money to the point that you are in now. And the third one, I want to share is the boomerang effect. So boomerang effect is when we give money, right? We get it more. So why not you imagining you have 100 ringgit, a lot of 100 ringgit bills in your pocket, and as you walk, you will give it away to all the people that you've met. So imagine you look at their face, imagine how happy they are to receive the money that you have, that you give them. So it's all happening in mind. Let's do that, but don't do this. Don't separate it. Instead, do it one time. When you do it one time, it's concentrated effort. It will be more powerful. So that's all the practices that I can share today. That's about it.